We're in the home stretch for the vest back piece. Attention single host users. Discover professional neck and shoulder techniques. Using just your host, masters the technique to prevent drop the stitches in neckline decreases. Learn the secret to flawless sloped shoulder rows. Transform this fabric into a finished garment. 74 rows of shoulder shaping are now complete. Follow the diagram for back neckline decreases and sloped shoulder short rows. For sloped shoulders, 253 short rows, leaving 2 stitches, 8 rows total. Decrease 21 stitches, each side 224 pattern. Center the starting thread at 0, then push left needles to position sequentially. Move the 21 stitches right of the center needle to position A, as shown. Knit a row. But notice the left end needle wasn't moved to position D. Let's leave this common mistake as is for now. We'll correct it later. Now decrease 2 stitches at the neckline as per the diagram. Shift the 3 end needles inward by 1. Pull back the first left end needle by 1 row. Move the needle to D, place yarn underneath, and adjust the right cam lever to I. Move 5 right needles to D, left end needle to C. Then knit a row. Thread yarn under the 5th needle. Move left end needle to D and knit a row. Tuck the yarn under the needle. Following the diagram, decrease the neckline stitches, moving the end needle to position C. He knit a row with the carriage, but a mistake occurred. The 5 right shoulder rows weren't advanced to position D. Then manually undo the 5 short rows by 1 row. Advance the short row needle to position D. Passing the yarn under the 5th needle first. This corrects the previous error, allowing the decreases to continue. This is the right shoulder's final row. The shoulder rows are now complete. Knit the final row to eliminate the short rows. Sets the right needle cam to position I. Knit one row by moving the machine head. Finish the right shoulder, leaving yarn for sewing. Shift the needle from A to B. Pick a stitch from the neck curve to the end needle, and hang the curve on the door hook. Avoid gaps at the neckline join. Decrease 42 stitches at the neck base with the main yarn. After decreases, knit a row. Then use the weight for left neck decreases and shoulder shaping. Shape the left shoulder as you did the right. No further instructions. Feel free to fast forward. Take the fabric off the needle bed. Here's how the fabric looks once it's been ironed. This is the armhole section of the back piece. Here's the fancy hem effect that prevents curling. Next time, we'll knit the front piece with a V-neck, a bit more challenging. But you've mastered the back piece, so you're ready. Want the diagrams early? Drop a comment below.